Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a build number, which is at the very bottom of this list again, and now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. And now we've got this information, which simply means that we just unlocked the developer options. Now we have to go back to the general settings and enter the system. Here let's tap on advanced, and as you can see right here we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the apps, so we can decide whether we want to don't keep activities kind of. Here we can simulate the color space, show view updates, change the window animation scale, show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, so overall the networking, etc. So in order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher. So basically it works just like in the regular settings, just tap on it, and here we've got this feature turned on. You can turn it off in the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. Let's go back. And basically, if you want to turn off the developer options, simply tap on this switcher at the top, which is basically pinned to the top of the screen, and it is on this, I would say like grayish or sea-ish color. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.